Hey happy homemakers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extreme entire house clean with me. Pretty much my entire house needs picked up. I'm also going to be doing a little organizing with the containers I got from the container store, and I'm going to show you guys what I do to entertain my children while I clean. So I hope that this video gives you guys a ton of cleaning motivation. We have lots to do, so let's just get started. Okay, so I've already cleaned up in my bedroom for the day, so I'm gonna be starting in the kitchen today. And honestly, I've been in a rut lately, so don't judge me. There's tons of dishes. I don't think I did one dish yesterday. So we have a mountain of dishes. Every now and then I get really tired and I just start eating really poorly. So today I'm very motivated to just get out of the rut. I've got a green juice for lunch. I usually like to make my own, but to kind of help myself out of the little pit that I've been in, I just buy some for convenience sake until I have the energy to start making them. So I have the Suja Organic Green Delight. It's really good actually. I have lots of cleaning to do, so hopefully this will give me the energy I need. Usually I try to eat with Marcus and Chloe at lunchtime, but since I'm just having a juice and the house is such a mess, I'm just going to let them eat while I clean the kitchen, where I can still be near them and talking with them, but also get some cleaning done while they're enjoying their lunch. Okay, so I'm gonna try to quickly clean up the rest of the house before their nap time. And to get them busy, I pulled out some luggage and told them to pack their toys for a pretend trip. Because I try really hard to think of things we already have that I think they'll have fun playing with, because obviously they have plenty of toys and they get bored of them. Marcus struck again and just pulled everything out of his closet and everything out of his drawers to look for something. So after the front room, this will be the next area that I clean. So now that the living room is clean, I really quickly wanted to show you guys the school stuff that I found at Target that I thought was really fun. They have so many workbooks and flashcards. Not everything is age appropriate for Marcus and Coco, but I found a few things I wanted to show you. First off were these little reward charts. It has this little path through the universe and these star stickers to put on every accomplishment that they have for school, which I thought they would really enjoy. And then I did get a couple flashcards, again, the ones that were age appropriate. This one is opposites, and then this one is really cool. It's phonics. So it has like the G, both G sounds, and then on the back it has words that start that way. And we just did this morning and they really enjoyed it. And then the last thing are these, which I thought that if they do something, yes honey, can you wait just 1 second?
Can we do it now?
We did some school this morning. We're going to do it later though, okay? When they do something really great or finish some project, I'll give them one of these, and I thought they would enjoy it. Maybe when they complete one of these.
Can we click up them now?
Are you excited to do your space chart?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Is that so cool? Did you like doing these this morning? We went through every single card this morning. They really liked them.
Go to that?
Yeah, you have to go from the sun and then finish, I think, at the rocket ship. I had a bit of laundry to do this morning, and so now I'm just gonna go ahead and switch that out. So Marcus and Chloe were playing with chalk around my laundry, and this almost went through the wash. even know where to start in here. It is such a mess. So we're not gonna get everything done before nap time, but I'm just gonna give it my best shot. Okay, so it's nap time, and this is as good as it's gonna get for now in here. I just piled all the toys together in the middle. Hopefully later we'll be able to get to them. They're busy playing because everything's nice and clean again. And then I also separated out all the clothes that Marky pulled out of their dresser. They need to be folded and put back, but again, that's gonna have to wait till later. But overall, it looks quite a bit better. Okay, so Marcus and Coco are down for their nap now, and I'm just gonna wrap up this video quickly by putting these organization containers in my fridge. I recently did like a whole refrigerator makeover video, so I'll have that link down below, although my fridge could use another little spruce up. But today I don't have time for that. I do have to get to doing some editing. But I did get this container off of Amazon, so I'll have a link down below for you guys. But I wanted something with a lid just like this. This is the perfect size for my raw meats. Anytime I grab something out of our big freezer and put it in here to defrost for dinner, I just don't like it to touch anything else. Like I have produce down there and stuff, and so I just want to avoid any sort of cross-contamination or anything like that. But I don't want to lose the space on top of it, so I got this so that it would keep it contained, but I could still not lose the space in the fridge, because we are always without space in our fridge. Also, this is one that I got at the Container Store. If I can find a link for it, I will put one down below. But this one is for your freezer, and I'm hoping that it will make things. Our indoor freezer is so tiny, and it's just really hard to make everything work. Everything just wants to fall out. So I'm hoping that this is going to help that problem a little bit. I'm not going to be able to do like a full organization of the whole fridge. I'm just going to do a little bit of tidying up because, like I said, I don't have very much more time, and now that they're down for a nap, I need to get editing. Okay, so unfortunately our fridge light is out right now, so you won't be able to see everything I'm doing. And I don't have any meat I'm defrosting right now, but basically I just wanted something to fit right in here that I can still put stuff on top of, and this is just so perfect. Right in there. It's so full right now. I forgot to mention that this one has removable compartments, so you could have it separating things or use it as one compartment. I think this will also be really great because I won't have to pull something out and risk everything coming out and getting disorganized. We can just pull this whole thing out of the freezer. So I'm hoping this will help me a lot. By the way, I got these last night at Target. They're Halo Top Peanut Butter Swirl. They're just like little mini pops and they're only 60 calories. They're really good. The peanut butter swirl is just like this chewy peanut butter center and they taste so yummy. So go and try them if you see them at Target. So these are like the little things that I'm hoping this will help organize. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it either kept you guys company while you cleaned or motivated you to get up and just tackle whatever job you might have today. I know that it can be challenging at times to keep the kids busy while you're trying to clean. That's why I've been trying to share whatever tips work for me with you guys. So I hope that that helped as well. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. Coco's in here babbling, so I hope you guys can hear me all right. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, you can have a juice box. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone. Can you say bye?